Within the Connected Factories project, different pathways are available and are being developed covering, for instance, circular economy, data spaces, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence for manufacturing.
What we want to provide to all those out there that wish to understand how things work is to provide this reference, this framework, and a pathway is providing this framework. And the pathway helps you in finding your way through the different ways of digitalization, the different contexts of digitalization.
Today we are going to dive deeper into the circular economy pathway that focuses on the critical development steps towards more sustainable manufacturing networks.
Digitalization of manufacturing is a process where many things have to fall in place. Many stakeholders are involved. If we're talking about data, data is involved from many places, is being generated in many places, it is being processed in many places. So things have to fall in place. Even more when we talk about the application of digital and digitalization for the sake of circular economy. Circular economy is a goal where everybody has to look in the right direction, or at least be synchronized on what to do and what to do when. We're talking about the design of components and products for the sake of circular economy. We're talking about the use phase of those products and knowing what's happened with those products. That involves data. The second life of a product, or the extended life of a product, relies on the fact of using that data for the sake of improving the product, upgrading the product, or remanufacturing it, disassembling it, giving it a second life in the same sector or in another sector. And that's why for Connected Factories it made total sense of making a pathway for circular economy.
The starting point in the circular economy pathway is a company and its value chain in which the environmental regulations are met. But circular economy and sustainability viewpoints are not considered as strategic advantages. The next step for many companies is to start piloting in order to minimize the inputs of energy and materials. However, often the drive is strengthening the brand image. A crucial step towards more sustainable manufacturing is systematic materials management, where multi-source product lifecycle data is exploited systematically for resource efficiency and circularity gains. Further, at the next level, the environmental, social and economic pillars of sustainability are explored in collaboration with value chains. This network-level activity is required to truly take advantage of circular economy. The most advanced phase is circularity, where the company and its embedded value chains are restructured for closed loops. Here, the data flows and data spaces are one of the crucial enablers for emphasizing the positive sustainability impacts. Other pathways show important milestones on the way to realizing a collaborative product service or data spaces factory. Projects provide several interesting examples related to the circular economy pathway. For instance, within the EFPF project, there is a pilot on waste management in which the blockchain technology is used for enabling supply chain transparency through data flows. The DigiPrime project aims to improve digital manufacturing platforms for connected factories, and one of the cases implemented there is a battery case with different recycling opportunities. We have gathered a lot of relevant and useful information for you on our project website and the EFRA Innovation Portal, and we are regularly holding thematic events. But we are also keen to promote and help you share your experience among the European research and innovation community along the journey on these pathways. For this purpose, we are launching the Digital Transformation Cases Catalogue. Don't miss this opportunity and share your experiences and best practices with us and the manufacturing research and innovation community. For more information, check us out at www.connectedfactories.eu.